Check it out, it's a rainbow. Okay, so we're at the Courtenay Airpark. We're gonna go do a little bit of a walk around and see if we can get some good pictures. Jenny's learning how to do some birding photography. Let me just spin you around. Right, so we got a 70-300 lens, and I'm gonna shoot some street style photography with a 28mm lens. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, I can see that rainbow. It's awesome. Well, these birds aren't moving very much. Light's coming out, but it is raining, so that's what you hear. Raindrops on my umbrella. Jen's gone to check and make sure that I haven't lost the tripod. She's coming back. So let's go under since we got a little bit of rain still, let's go underneath this guy. I was gonna say pergola, but I guess. I don't know. Gazebo. Oh, we got some geese close by, some swans. Stay still, swan. Okay, we got a goose-a-thon going on. They all just took off. Oh yeah. So every shot I take of the birds is just going to be super far away. How you doing? You getting some shots? Did you get the birds coming in? Landing?
No. This will be when I first started taking pictures of birds. Shots. These guys.
Okay.
Shooting randomly.
Well, let's take a walk around the other, see if there's anything else, because these guys are good. There's a lot of action going on. You could stand over there too, but let's go around to this other, see if we can't get any shield from the wind. Oh, you got some like little baby birds way out there. I can't get them, but. Oh, there goes some birds. How close are those guys over here? Are they filling the frame or no?
No.
There's a little shorebird there. You You see him? Can you get him?
Shorebird.
Yeah, the one walking around pecking at the ground.
On the other side?
On this side of the water, he's right on this shoreline right here. See him? Sandpiper maybe? I don't know. Okay, let's keep moving. I can't even focus on.
Got a little dizzy there for a second when I was trying to go up above him.
I think they got all scared. Well, not scared, but they got all startled because an eagle came over this way, really close.
And they were like, oh.
Here comes one for a landing right there. Oh, you missed him. Yeah, an eagle came over this way, and then all the birds got jumped up, started flying around. There's a bunch still down there. Should be able to get some right in there. On that shoreline, there's some.
Missed him.
Okay, let's walk around. Hello. It's cold, yeah, freezing out the fingers. Okay, let's get going, babe.
That way as soon as I saw that.
Yeah, you scared him. Okay, so we're back in the car. We lasted about an hour, but it's super cold out there. I know, like, not Ontario cold, but it was about 7 degrees and really windy, cutting across the ocean into us. We got a bunch of geese and I think little ducks out there. Some swan were there. I'm not sure if we got those. A bunch of crows, not the black crows, but regular crows. And it was good. I think it was really good. We're gonna go back home, check out those photos and post them up along with our videos and give you guys a taste of what, how Jenny is coming along, right? And then we'll just keep going and going and going until it's great.
Until I'm a pro.
Until you're a pro. That's right. Peace, YouTube.